Hi, Maisie. Oh, you didn't make it. Come all the way up. There we go. Ow! Hey guys, so today I'm going to be creating a makeup look featuring the Ipsy products from June and July. As I mentioned in my June Ipsy reveal video, I'm not sure how I feel about MAC as a company, just because to sell to China they have to test on animals. But I got it in the Ipsy bag, so I'm just going to use it while I've got it. I'm just not going to go out of my way to purchase more. Oh. So this is a real shimmery, it's like, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got glitter in it, which I'm not sure how I feel. I haven't really used it. 14-year-old Johnny would be loving this primer. 30-year-old me, not so much. Next, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation. Next, I'm going to move on to the Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer. I am just going to set it with the Airspun powder and a Real Techniques blending powder brush. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the City Color City Chic eyeshadow in Skinny Latte, which is this gorgeous, like, shimmery eyeshadow. And to apply the eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Coastal Scents BRB S02. So the medium shader brush from Coastal Scents. So now, to accent my eyes a little bit, I'm going to take the Tanya Burr Cosmetics Perfect Brows Palette and the shade Chestnut with my fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to accent the corners just a little bit. Now for my waterline, I'm going to use Tarte Sex Kitten Eyeliner. And now I'm going to go over the upper lash line with the Ico London Skinny Liquid Liner. I'm going to contour my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Natural Tan, in case you were wondering. And for blush, I'm going to be using the City Color Be Matte Blush. I'm going to take the bright coral one, which I think is Guava. And to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Tanya Burr eyebrow palette. For mascara, I am going to use the Cookie Professionals Volume Length Mascara. And for lipstick, I am going to be using the Real Her Girl Power Mauve lipstick.
Very natural looking.
So this is the finished look using the, I didn't use only the products from my Ipsy bag because I didn't get a ton of like makeup the last 2 months, which is fine. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye!